Good job walking. Good job. That was a long way to go.
What?
He was just walking. What you up to in here, Jack? Good job. Woo. Remote control airplane. Busy little boy over in the pictures. Getting out all the pictures he can find. Jack is doing the remote control airplane.
There's my dad.
What picture do you have there, Ben? What do you have? Oh, is that a picture of Grandpa and Mommy and Jack when he was little? You're doing some good walking, mister. Look at you go. You are just a walker man.